Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by equipping the metal bat and confirming rules allow it. Once done, set your swing style and PCI size to match the bat's quicker sweet spot. This matters because metal bats change contact window timing. Make sure to take 20-30 swings in batting practice so you recalibrate timing, visual cues, and launch angle expectations. You want to learn how the bat multiplies exit velocity, so prioritize consistent contact over chasing power on first simulation swings. Now you refine approach and timing for real at-bats. Begin by practicing PCI placement early and late to lock one-half timing windows, because metal bats reward precise contact rather than wild swings. Once done, dial back full aggression in two-strike counts and aim for controlled line drives. This increases on-base probability while still leveraging extra exit velocity. Make sure to watch replay metrics, exit velocity and launch angle, so you can micro-adjust bat path and stance between innings for consistent results. Finish by applying the metal bat in live situations. Pick your moments. Use hit-and-run or pull intense when you read fastballs because the bat amplifies well-timed swings. If things go wrong, stop and run targeted drills, reset controller sensitivity, and tweak PCI size by 0.5 increments. These small changes fix timing issues quickly. Also, make sure game rules or mods permit metal bats. And check online latency. If your performance drops only online, network delay can mimic bad timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.